Now, let us talk about the role of ethics in religion. So, for the introduction, it says that most religions have an ethical component. It is significantly broader than the common conception of analyzing what is right and what is wrong. So, ethics deals with ideas such as good, right, and duty, and these concepts were discussed in ancient Greece by Plato and Aristotle in the 3rd and 4th century before Common Era. So ano bang ibig sabihin nito? So kumbaga, mas pinalawak lang o mas naging malawak lang ang konsepto ng ethics in terms of what is right, what is good, and what our duties are in both to ourselves and to others. So mostly, yung mga ganitong usapin ay uh, na-discuss lang sa larangan ng philosophy, especially nung panahon ni Aristotle and ni Plato. And then, silang dalawa, they were the first philosophers to explore this kind of ideas, and their thoughts have continued to influence morality, whether in religious or secular perspectives. Next slide is we have Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant defended that the idea of God as a basic requirement of ethics is we have to ought to be virtuous and do our duty, he said. So it means that Immanuel Kant believed that being moral means doing our duty and acting virtuously. He argued that the idea of God is important in ethics because it gives the purpose to moral actions and ensures that justice will be fulfilled in the end. So, ibig sabihin, naniniwala si Immanuel Kant na ang pagkakaroon ng mabuting pamumuhay ay ang pagsunod sa mga batas moral dahil ito ay ating tungkulin hindi lang para sa pansarili nating kapakanan. Next is we have the central aspects of ethics. First bullet, the ancient Greeks called it eudaimonia or happiness. So, sa Greeks, when we say eudaimonia, it means more than just feeling happy. It was about living a full and meaningful life through good character and wise actions. Next, the second bullet is we have the essence of virtue is in the wholeness of the person brought about by integrity. So, in other words, being truly virtuous means having inner unity and consistently. So, living according to your values and doing what is right even when no one is watching. So, ibig sabihin lang naman nito is meron siyang sariling paninindigan sa tama. Ibig sabihin, handa siyang gawin ang kabutihan kahit na alam niyang wala namang nakakakita sa kanyang ibang tao. Next slide is, meron lang ako ditong dalawang question. First question would be, if religion has a role in decision making, then what should be that role? So for me, if religion plays a role in moral decision making, so its role should be to guide individuals in understanding what is right and wrong based on spiritual teachings and moral values. Because I can say that religion can provide a strong foundation of ethical behavior by promoting compassion, honesty, meron din responsibility and respect for others. Next question is, can we be ethical without being religious? Yes, we can be ethical without being religious. While religion can be a source of moral guidance, ethics is also based on a human reason, empathy, and shared values. Kumbaga, maaari pa rin namang piliin ng mga tao na gawin ang tama dahil naunawaan nila ang kahalagahan ng katapatan, paggalang at pagiging fair sa bawat isa, hindi lamang dahil sa mga paniniwala sa relihiyon. So, ang ethical na pag-uugali ay nagmumula sa ating kakayahang mag-isip ng mapanuri, magmalasakit sa iba at gumawa ng mga pagpili ng nagtataguyod ng kabutihang panlahat, anuman ang pinagmulan ng ating relihiyon. Last slide is we have the link between religion and morality is best illustrated by the Golden Rule. So, sabi dito, do unto others as you would wish them do unto you. Ibig sabihin, ang koneksyon daw sa pagitan ng relihiyon at moralidad ay malinaw na ipinapakita sa pamamagitan ng Golden Rule. So, gawin mo sa iba ang nais mong gawin nila sa iyo. Ibig sabihin, magkaroon tayo ng pantay na pagtrato, magkaroon ng paggalang sa ibang tao, para ganun din ang pagtrato nila sa atin. So, hinihikayat lang nila tayo na magkaroon tayo ng patas at paggalang sa isa't isa. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope na marami kayong natutunan and thank you for listening.